Hi, this is Jennifer Delisle.
And I'm Monica Flagg, and we're here with Inspire Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty Metropolitan.
Today we're at our newest listing at 40 Hearthside Circle in Bedford, New Hampshire, one of Bedford's most desirable neighborhoods. This property boasts over 3,700 square feet and sits on about 1.5 acres. There's 4+ bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a really flexible floor plan with lots of options.
We can't wait to show it to you, so let's go take a look.
The first floor of this property has a beautifully updated kitchen with granite, which flows into a formal dining room with hardwood flooring, which has access to the screened-in porch right off to the side of the property. There's also a beautiful home office space in the front of the house, which could also be used as a formal living room with a second wood-burning fireplace. I can imagine relaxing by the wood-burning fireplace all day.
Yeah, well, I'm working on selling all the houses.
The spacious family room also has a wood-burning fireplace and flows into the solarium, a beautiful sunlit room with built-in bookshelves overlooking the deck and the yard.
So peaceful.
The perfect place to read or even play piano, like these sellers do. The first floor also has a mudroom, perfect for the whole family. There's also a first floor handicap accessible bathroom, in addition to the half bath off the kitchen. There's also a bonus room as well that could be used for guest space. Upstairs, you're going to find so much space. The beautiful master bedroom has a walk-in closet as well as an updated master bath with tiled shower. The guest bath is also bright and white and sunny with updated tile as well. Now upstairs, there are an additional 3 bedrooms that lead into a bonus space, which is a great playroom or even maybe has some in-law potential. This bonus space has an access down the back staircase as well that leads into the additional guest space and bathroom on the first floor. Look at all this great extra space in the bonus room. Should we play foosball or air hockey?
I'm gonna beat you at air hockey first. Let's go. Oh!
Oh, you are good at this. There are so many options for multi-generational living in this property. Thank you for taking the tour of 40 Hearthside Circle with us today. We really hope you enjoyed this beautiful Bedford home. If you'd like to schedule a showing, feel free to message us in the comments below or go on our website at jenniferdelisle.com.
Thanks so much. We hope to see you soon.